So Angra do Heroísmo, the main town. We're going to go up to the central part of the island, Algar do Carvão, the volcano, and then before returning to the hotel we go down to São Mateus Harbor for a stop and then return.
Alright, there's a little demo of the volcano there. The walk. You see we're walking
Oh my God.
Now, there you go, way down there. Way up here. There's the hole up there. Yeah, we got little raindrops coming down here too. So yeah, we got raindrops on the lens here. We're going to be heading down.
It's humidity, and of course they also cause this dripping we have around them. But as we start going down the stairs, you see that the vegetation disappears because of the lack of sunlight. So in this upper part, since we still have the sun, they are able to live here. In terms of fauna, we can hear a few birds every now and then.
Yes, it's right here. The volcano up top there. We're going down. Okay. This is how we're coming down here. We have to go back up the same way, I think. Yeah. Down inside the volcano here. We're actually in it here, yes. This is the lagoon here. It's down in there. Yeah, we're in here. All the rocks above us here. It's wet, slippery, and whatever here. Okay. Well, now we have to go up. Either that way or we go over there and see another section or vent or something here. But we got to walk up. It's very wet here. Well, it's a little dark here, but there's another section up top called the cathedral. If you want to walk up there, it's you have to go up these steps here and go up and see way up there where those people are. And you're just looking at this whole area. So I don't think the kids are going to walk up there. But there's a little, watch my step here, everything's very wet here. Oh, we got this light shining right in my eyeball here. But that's down there, you can almost see the water way down the bottom down there. And the light's lighting, look at how round this roof is here. Very round cauldron or vent or something here, but we have to walk back out of this. So, there they are. They're going to give us a wave. All right, my friend. Okay. It's a little dark, but it's all right. Okay, we're heading back up. We're going back up there. Back up through the cauldron. We've visited down here. It's very nice. Very interesting trip. And there's some more last few looks at it as we head on back up the steps there. Here we go. All right. We're going up to the top here. Here we go, we're doing a little look around on the outside here. Here we go, doing a little 360 here, down in the volcano. Okay, take a little rest here, all right. So now we climb back up. We're going back through the tunnel here. Thanks so much for your and here we go, going through the tunnel here. Got people in back of us here. Yeah, there we go. All right, now here in the tunnel. A little warm here with the raincoat on, but it was wet down there, so. Here we go. Tunnel man. You got Shadow Man? No, you got Tunnel Man. All right. Okay, we're coming back out from the volcano and we're going back to the parking lot where the bus is here. So picking them up, putting them down, picking them up, putting them down as usual here. Okay.